6 highest paying apps to make money in 2021. Making money online in 2020 and 2021 has never been easier. Using your smartphone, you can easily download and install money-making apps for Android and iPhones and start earning extra cash using your spare time. The apps and mobile sites on this list pay you to complete various tasks including playing games, shop online and in the store, complete surveys, exercise, and surf the internet. Here's some of the highest paying apps available right now. Get paid for giving your opinion. Get free gift cards for taking polls, answering surveys and so much more. Earn points for giving your honest answers. Redeem your points for gift cards from your favorite brands. DoorDash is a food delivery app in the United States and Canada and qualifies as a side hustle app to make money working as your own boss. You can earn up to $20 per hour delivering food and restaurant orders to customers in your area. Sign up to become a DoorDash driver. Indicate when you are available on the app and use your car, scooter or bicycle to deliver. Instacart is another side hustle app you can use to make money. You can either work as a full-service shopper who delivers grocery orders, or you can just help to prepare orders in the store. Full-service shoppers work as independent contractors, so you can work when your schedule allows it. You get paid for every batch of orders you complete and keep 100% of customer tip. Survey Junkie pays you to provide your opinions on products and services offered by brands and businesses. This market research company has over 10 million members. Sign up for a free account and complete your profile. You will receive invites to complete surveys matching your demographic and interests and earn points you can redeem for cash via PayPal or for hundreds of gift cards. Drop is a cash-back app similar to Ibotta and Checkout 51. This free app rewards you for shopping at your favorite brands and has more than 3 million users. Sign up for a free drop account and link your bank card. When you shop at participating retailers, you earn points you can redeem for free gift cards. Users also earn points for answering surveys and playing games. Mistplay is an Android app that pays you to play games. It has been downloaded more than 10 million times and has paid gamers almost $9 million in rewards. Download the app from the Google Play Store and start playing games. You earn units as you play and can redeem them for a variety of gift cards including Amazon, Visa prepaid cards, and more.